Hello everyone, so this is Bandai Master Grade Providence Gundam. First of all, the one I got here is a regular version which costs about $42. There is also a premium version which costs about $20 more, which comes with a special posing stand and an extra sticker, but I don't think I need them. And I chose the regular version because I like the cover more. Let's check out the details on the box. Okay, let's take a look inside. This is the package with the sticker and some color parts. The main body frame, lower body frame, and the shield and the body armor. The clear parts I think are the effect for the dragoons, and on the back is the regular stand, and the rest I think are the dragoon system. I'm going to show you each page of the assemble guide so you can decide whether you like this kit or not. And I hope you like this video. It would be much appreciated if you could subscribe to our channel. Thank you.